Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Juliet from Jules Closet. If you're joining us for the very first time, you're highly welcome. And I want to seize this opportunity to thank all my viewers, my subscribers for the massive love and support you guys have shown to my channel in a very short time. I really appreciate it all. Thank you so much. In this channel, we make sewing easy and fun. We share sewing tips, sewing guides, and inspirations. So keep tuning in and you'll be having so much to learn. So on today's video, I'll be showing you how to take an off-shoulder measurement, just like I promised in the last video where I showed you how to cut an off-shoulder dress. So to make that dress, the off-shoulder dress, you need to have a proper off-shoulder measurement. So in this video, I'll be taking you on how to take that measurement. The first thing you need is your tape. So you're going to place your tape across your shoulder, just like I'm doing. This is my number 1, and you're going to take it, place it across your shoulder points where you want your off shoulder to begin. Like I told you, if you want it to go low or you want it to be very high, just at that point where you want your off shoulder to begin, you place your tape around your shoulder. So you're taking the circumference of your shoulder. You went through the back to the front. So that is the first thing you're going to do. So I placed mine like this and I got my own measurements. Mine is 44 inches. So you just do that, place it across your shoulder and take it round. Then get your circumference, your shoulder circumference. Mine is 44. So the next thing you're going to take is your chest width. So this is not your chest circumference or your bust circumference, just a width from here to here. So you're not going around your body. So you're just going to place your tape from one armhole or arm fold to the other, just before the armpit. So you're going to place it like this on that point where you want your off shoulder to start. So if you want your off shoulder to start here, you start taking the measurement from it. If you want it to come down a bit much, you're going to start from here. So mine was around this point. Take it from one arm fold to the other. So mine is 13 inches. So this will serve as my chest width. So I'm going to do the same thing for the back, from this point to this point. So because the back and the front are almost the same, I'm going to use the same measurement, which is 13 inches for the back, the upper back width, like the chest width just before the armpit. So having two measurements now, the front and the back, it will give me 26 inches. That's 13 plus 13, which is 26 inches. So you know we took our round shoulder measurements. We're going to subtract this 26 inches from our 44 inches that we got for the circumference of the shoulder. So when we subtract 26 from 44, we are getting 18 inches. So 18 inches will serve for the arm cuff. You know that from here to here, it didn't cover the arm cuff, both front and back. So that 18 inches that we got when we subtracted 26 inches from 44, that was the total circumference, 18, is now for our arm cuff. So knowing that you have two arms, you're going to divide 18 inches by 2. So 18 inches divided by 2 will give you 9 inches. So 9 inches will be for one arm, then the other 9 inches will be for the other arm. So like I showed you in the video, when you're cutting your arm, your sleeve, the off shoulder sleeve that we cut in the video, it was on fold. So that 9 that is accounting for the sleeve when on fold will be 4.5 inches. So from the video, you can remember where I showed you and I told you that my measurement was 4.5 inches. This is how I got 4.5 inches. So because it's on fold, you're dividing 9 into 2 to get 4.5 inches. Same thing with the other part. So let me run it down again. The circumference of my shoulder was 44 inches when I took my tape round my measurement like this. Then I got my chest, upper chest width, 13, and because this is just for the front, the back also will give you 26. That's 13 times 2, 26 inches. We subtracted the 26 inches from the 44 inches total we had, and we had remaining 18 inches. So we are having two arms, so nine inches on this arm and 9 inches on the other arm will give you 18 inches. So this is how to get a perfect off shoulder measurement. I hope you found this video valuable and you learned a lot from it. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much and keep tuning in. Bye.